Morning everyone. In today's lecture we will discuss about the characteristics of economic environment. First is related to economic activity. Economic environment is related to economic activity of a person, a firm or an economy. It includes all the activities between his income and expenditure. Thus, it includes the activity of all economic sectors like agriculture, industry, business like commerce, transport, communication, insurance, etc. Second is affected by non-economic environment. Economic environment is influenced by geographical, social, political environment. It is also affected by national and international conditions. Third is guided and operated by the government. Economic environment runs under control and guidance of the government. In capitalist economy, government adopts the policy of minimum interference, but in socialist economy, government itself operates all the economic activities. Economic environment is affected by government policies, its inspirations, control, assistance, etc. Fourth is infrastructure. Economic environment is influenced by availability of infrastructure facilities like electricity, water, power, transport, communication, banking, insurance, etc. The presence of these facilities favors economic development. Fifth is public approach. If the concept of general public is to eat, drink and enjoy, it develops the approach to earn more and more money in prevailing economic environment. Sixth, distribution of wealth in society. Unequal distribution of wealth and centralization of economic power leads to economic inequality and exploitations. It encourages frustration in society and finally to black marketing and corruption. Seventh, availability of capital. The availability of sufficient capital leads to complete utilization of available natural and human resources, which helps to increase in income, employment, investment, and finally economic development. Eighth, planned economy. In planned economy, the entire resources are under control of state, and the Central Planning Commission plans according to national priority. Social welfare is the motto of every plan. Every decision what to produce, how to produce, who will produce, where to produce, and what will be the cost is taken by planning commission. In our country, both private and public sector are working together due to ideology of mixed economy. Ninth, moral factors. Moral status of public also influences economic environment. Economic activities expand in case the people has a tendency to earn more and more money in any way. Now let's discuss the objective of study of economic environment. See, the study of economic environment is essential for the successful operation and development of an economy. Thus, its objective is economic development and successful operation of economy. Second, to introduce latest technologies, resources and use of opportunities so that newer fields and resources can be searched. Third, to know about the changes taking place in the economic environment so that inhibiting and challenging factors can be found out timely. Fourth, to study environmental, natural elements and characteristics controlling economy so as to cope up with dynamic conditions. Apart from this, it is also important to study economic environment to maintain the environment according to economic development and requirement, and for maximal utilization of environment for economic development of a country. So these were the characteristics and objective of economic environment. That's it for today. We'll catch up in the next lecture. Thank you.